Hey Nathan.
Hey Kevin.
So you want to talk saws today?
I want to talk about the Japanese pole saw.
Something you feel like you should have in your toolkit?
It's a great tool to have. I always go reaching for it in my work truck for a lot of custom cuts.
So a little bit more of a specialty tool than your traditional saw, whether it be a crosscut or a rip saw that a lot of guys have.
It is. On traditional Western saws, you cut on the push stroke.
In that you sort of get your weight behind it and it cuts as you push down.
Exactly.
Pull back, push down.
With this saw, you cut towards you. It's a pull, you're pulling it to you, so you got to use two hands and get some weight on it to get some leverage.
You actually see the difference, and you can tell the way it cuts based on the orientation of the teeth. On the Western saw, the teeth are facing forward, cuts on the downstroke.
And on the Japanese pole saw, they're facing backwards, so you pull towards you and make the cut that way.
Okay. And so what types of projects do you like using them for? Because you can make a cross cut or a rip cut with this saw as well as that saw.
You can, but this is nice. It's real thin, so you can flex the blade down to your work.
Right.
Bring it up close, start your cut. Pull that little scrap out, and then slide your work right underneath it.
Yep, and that is not an easy thing to do with any other type of saw.
No, it's not. This actually is really great for cutting bungs as well. Bring it up right against the workpiece, nice and flat. Cut it off, give it a little sanding. Nice and flush.
Perfect. So this is kind of nice, the saw that you would get at the home center. This has got teeth on both sides for two different types of cuts.
You do a cross cut or a rip cut with that saw.
Right.
On mine, I only have teeth on one side, but I can swap the blades out with this handle.
Oh, that's interesting. So they pop out and you come up with a whole kit of them.
And over time, if they dull out, you can always go online and buy some new ones.
This one costs roughly how much?
About $25 for that one.
Versus yours?
This kit here could be $50 to $75.
Nice. All right. Well, good information, Nathan. Thank you. And you better hang on to that. I know Tommy's lurking around.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.